Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce electric bills with SolarCity step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current energy consumption. Gather your past electric bills to understand your usage patterns. Next, research solar energy solutions that fit your needs. Visit the SolarCity website to explore available options. Contact SolarCity for a free consultation to discuss your specific situation. Schedule an on-site evaluation to determine the best placement for solar panels. During the evaluation, a SolarCity representative will inspect your roof and assess sunlight exposure. Ask questions about the different types of solar systems available. After the evaluation, receive a customized proposal detailing costs and savings. Review financing options, including purchasing, leasing, or power purchase agreements. Choose the plan that best fits your budget and preferences. Once you decide, sign the contract to initiate the installation process. SolarCity will handle all necessary permits and inspections on your behalf. Next, the installation team will arrive to set up your solar panels. After installation, your system will undergo final inspections to ensure everything is functioning properly. Once approved, you can start generating your own electricity. Monitor your solar energy production through SolarCity's online portal. Keep track of your electric bills for any noticeable reductions. Consider additional energy efficiency measures to further lower costs. With your new solar system, enjoy both financial savings and a reduced carbon footprint. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.